Difference between affiliate marketing and drop shipping. Affiliate marketing and drop shipping are two popular online business models, both requiring little to no inventory, but they operate differently in terms of responsibility, risk, and income potential. In affiliate marketing, you promote another company's product using a unique affiliate link. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. You don't handle the product, payment, or customer service. Your role is purely promotional, via blogs, YouTube, Instagram, or other channels. In drop shipping, you run an online store and take customer orders. However, instead of storing products, you forward orders to a supplier, who ships directly to the customer. You control the pricing and branding, and profit from the difference between your sale price and supplier cost. Affiliate marketing is you promote. Customer buys. You earn a commission, and drop shipping is you sell. Supplier ships. You earn the profit margin. Thanks for watching. For more such informative videos, subscribe our channel and like the video. See you next time.